At the end of this video, you will have two choices: keep trading and getting by on meager profits, or start applying a new deving method and walk away with up to $200,000 inside your Phantom wallet. I will show you a simple step-by-step process that I have discovered that allowed me to dev coins and make money consistently.
Let's freaking go.
This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. All right, coming up, we have the live demonstration. But first, let's take a quick look at how some of these meme coins are performing. This one, I think, is doing really well. This is one of those rare examples where you could invest in this coin and pull out at any time in this 5-hour process, and you could make some serious money. I mean, especially if you got in early. The trajectory for this coin just seems to be going up and up and up over the course of these 5 hours. But of course, these are rare finds. These are very few and far between. I mean, I'm impressed that I've managed to actually find this, because normally, you know, the conditions are nowhere near this stable and this good. It just appears to be consistently going up. So clearly this coin, people have got a lot of faith in it. It's got a good narrative. It's got great prospects, okay? But what you'll find is that even with those great prospects, people still manage to make a loss on coins like these, because sometimes you just end up buying at exactly the wrong time, and then you think the dip's coming, so you pull out quickly just to, you know, claw back some of those potential losses. Now, let's change the script a little bit here. Let's go to createcoin.fun and we can launch our own coins with no coding required. We don't need to know how to code anymore in order to launch coins onto these meme coin markets. No. We just need to push a few buttons, and then we can have our own coins good to go. People can put their money into them and we can withdraw all that liquidity into our pockets. That's what we're going to do on createcoin.fun. Okay, we just need a bit of Solana and the ability to push buttons. First of all, let's talk a little bit about markets. Now, this is the pump market. Now, most of you, if you've been in the meme coin game, will know about the pump market, but you should know that the pump market is really busy when it comes to deving coins. Tens of thousands every second get devved onto this site, and that means there's just so much competition that you're having to deal with, on top of other factors that are keeping market caps really low. Okay, so now obviously there are a few that get through, and typically that tends to be luck more than anything else, but most of the time you're not getting past 1k in terms of your market cap. Now, switching to dynamic on terminal, we can look at the Meteora market, where things are looking much better. You can see here the market caps are in the hundreds or tens of Ks. 13 million there, that's really impressive. I've seen coins go up to the billions, and that's what createcoin.fun uses. It uses the Meteora market. Now, here we are. We have over $100 inside my Phantom wallet, and that's roughly the amount of money you're going to need in order to get this process going. So connect wallet, click Phantom, good to go. So if you were going to launch your own coin, and this is one that you create from scratch, you can pop a name in here, you can pop in a symbol, find an image, link it to some kind of narrative, something that's happened in maybe the political sphere, or a funny joke, or a meme, or a film, or whatever you want, and then you would follow that process. We're not going to do that, because what I found is that using this copy trending tool instead allows you to take advantage of coins that have already been proven and coins that have already done well on the pump market. Now, if they've done well on the pump market, what we can do is we can take them and move them over to the Meteora market, where they will do even better again. You can see here you've got names, market caps, when they were last paired, things like that. Now, all of these coins are a good fit, okay? So for the length of time and the method that I'm going to use, all of these coins would be a good choice. But if you're not happy with the coin that you have got available, you can just refresh and have a look. So instead, we can have a look at these ones. So we've got a bunch of pretty interesting sort of options here in terms of their market caps. Let's pick this sort of middle of the road one here. Let's go with the 62k market cap on this one. So you're going to get this request blocked part. Now, when you click proceed, you then click confirm, you tick a box and you click confirm anyway. Again, this is just one of those things where you are acknowledging that the market is risky and that your capital is indeed at risk. Okay, so just click through that just as you would if you were signing up to any trading site. Now, we have created our token, but first we need to create a liquidity pool before it can go to market. So what does that mean? That means we take some of the Solana that's in our Phantom wallet and we put it behind the coin. So you've got the name, you've got the amount of tokens there. You don't need to change any of those numbers, but what you do need to change is the amount of Solana. I experimented a fair bit when I started this method, and I found that 0.2 Sol is the right amount for you to make some really good profit without too much of an overhead. So we're going to put 0.2 Solana into the coin there, and then we will create our pool, and then in a mo, it will be live and on market, but there is just one more step we need to do before we get there. So let's hit confirm there and our pool will appear below. There we go. So we've got our Sol friend coin here. So remember, I picked the AI friend coin to copy over. We've got our pooled Sol, we've got our tokens, and we've got our estimated value at 1471. The next step is we need to click this lightning bolt button. Now, this is important. This is really what makes the process tick, and this is what's going to bring you in those big bucks. It is a booster that puts you to the top of Dex Screener's trending list for an hour. This puts you in front of all of the traders that use bots and the traders that rely on trending coins to get that initial market hype going. So costs us 0.25 Sol, but this is a worthwhile investment because you will see that money come back nearly instantly. So let's hit confirm on that and pay the 0.25 in order to get us boosted on the market. Now, what we're going to do is, before we head into Dex Screener, I was just showing you there, when we finish, the negative button will allow you to pull the liquidity, which I'll show you later. But we're on Dex Screener now. So we have got our coin here. You can see it's live on Matora. Already, market cap has breached the 1K mark. So this is a really good run for a coin that has been live for just a few seconds. Liquidity is now at 1K, just gone over 1K. This is fantastic. And these are the kind of numbers that you could be pulling right away. And so long as your coin's value is higher than 0.2 Solana, or I should say let's say 0.5 Solana, then you've already made your profit. But look at this. Our market cap's at 2.5K. This is going nuts. And you can see the compounding factors of this process coming into play. Better market, proven coin, and boost. Now, I make money on these coins, and if you want to be in with a chance of winning half of what I make on this coin, like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I will put you in a prize draw. Back to createcoin.fun. So what we're going to do is hit refresh. We're going to see how much our coin is valued at. So you can see our previous Sol was at 0.2. Our estimated value was at 1471. So we are looking at 1.28K in our estimated value, and 17 whole Sol coins are now in our coin. So let's hit the minus button. Let's remove that liquidity. Let's hit confirm, and then we are good to go. That's the process, guys. $100 turned into $1,281, guys. 10xing in just a few moments. You've got to try this method out yourselves.